Today we are doing a dumbbell workout at home that's going to work your biceps and your back. Here we go. We're gonna start walking in place while I tell you what you need for this workout. So we are going to be working two different parts of our upper body. We're gonna work our biceps and our upper back. So you'll need some dumbbells. So I have 3 sets. I have a light and a medium and a heavy. And so you can have whatever you have available to you. If you have 1 set, great, grab it. I have what I would consider heavier on those, which is 10, 15, and 20 pounds. If you're a beginner and you have it available to you, have maybe a 5 pound and an 8 pound, or maybe an 8 and a 10, somewhere in that range, okay? So have those dumbbells close. And we are doing a series of videos here that you can do completely on their own or stacked together. We're gonna do biceps and back today. Then I'll also have coming, we will do another one for upper body where we do our shoulders and our triceps, and then we'll get to lower body too. So these are great workouts to add individually throughout the week, or again, you can stack them together, remembering that it is vital, especially for us aging women, to lift dumbbells, lift weights at least 2 times a week, 3 times preferably. So that's what this workout is gonna do for you today. So go ahead and grab those dumbbells and I'll meet you right back here. So we are gonna start with your lighter to medium set. So for me, I'm going 10 pounds here. We're gonna be in standing, have 1 foot forward and 1 back. This just gives you a little more base of support, okay? Especially if you're new to lifting. And then have your palms facing forward. You're gonna bend your elbows and release. So we're doing a bicep curl. And many of these you can do seated. So if you have any issues that make it hard for you to stand, if you have pelvic floor issues and you wanna keep your pelvic floor a little more protected, you can do this in seated, okay? So there are ways to adjust. My biggest desire for you is that you simply find a way to feel empowered and to feel really comfortable in your body lifting weights. It is one of the best things that we can do for ourselves. So it helps prevent injury, it builds muscle, it helps prevent osteoporosis, it helps our brain function, it helps burn calories. So many important things. Okay, 1 more. And then release that back down. Okay, we are going to go between 2 different exercises here. Now, typically the next exercise, you can do a heavier weight. So if you have a heavier weight option, I want you to grab it. And if you don't, just keep what you have, but you're only gonna need 1 for this next one. So we're gonna do a row, which is gonna start to work our back. So I have the weight in my left hand. My right foot is forward, my left foot is back. I'm leaning forward. And you're gonna pull the weight up. So your elbow goes right along your side. Your palm is facing in. So my palm is basically facing my right knee. And again, if standing isn't okay for you, then just come down to a kneeling position. Right here. Okay, so I'm using a 20 pound just for reference. But again, I would consider myself a little bit on the heavier end because I've been lifting weights for a long time. But I'm also recovering from a surgery about 2 months ago. So I have been building up to this. So that's what I want you to keep in mind. You're gonna build over time. It's called progressive overload, and it's really important that once a certain weight gets doable and easy, you have to go up to the next. That's how you'll get benefits. Okay, good. Take a break, other side. So you just move the weight to the other hand, left foot forward, right foot back, lean forward, pull up, and down. So you just have to remember, every time you move your body, you're putting that deposit into your health bank account. A 10-minute workout might not feel like a lot, but it is, especially if you're just working with the time you have. Maybe you've done a 20-minute walk and then you're doing 10 minutes of dumbbells, or maybe again, you start stacking workouts. Maybe you're in my unlimited program where we have 30-minute dumbbell workouts. Anything you do is beneficial, okay? And you're just building on that over time. 1 more. Nice job. Come in, and we're gonna go back to the bicep curls. I'm gonna see if I can stack all these up here. Okay, So back to the weight you want for your bicep curls. Same thing that we did to start. Palms facing forward. When you're ready, bend and straighten. So this is gonna feel repetitive, but that's kind of the point, because I want this to be something that all of us can do, again, no matter our fitness level. And as you improve, you're just gonna add weights to it. And then as these get easier, you can make the motion more complicated, more dynamic. Again, I have other workouts that do that, more advanced workouts. In Unlimited, we have metabolic conditioning workouts, Pilates with dumbbells, so many things we can add to this. But remember, the power of the basics of just coming back here and lifting those weights. Okay, 2 more. And lower. Nice job. We're gonna go back to the row. And then you can just kind of add to your collection of dumbbells and weights over time. There's some great adjustable weight options if you're limited on space. Otherwise, you can just add a few sets of dumbbells as you get stronger. Okay, I have it in my left hand. Right foot forward, leaning forward, flat back, pull up and down. And 4, 3, 2, 1, and we'll switch sides. So the weight goes into the right hand, left foot forward, right foot back, lean forward, flat back, or down on your knees if you prefer. That nice big exhale every time will help. It helps you set your center and your core. It gives you a strong place to work from. It again helps your pelvic floor. You have to keep breathing. No holding your breath allowed. 1 more. And come in. Nice job. Okay, no surprise. We're going back to those 10s. All right, and I'm gonna switch it up just a little bit. So now I'm standing and I have both feet underneath my shoulders here, underneath my hips, whatever feels better to you. Your palms are facing your thighs. What you're gonna do is bring them up, and as you do, twist into that bicep curl that we started with, untwist to bring them down. Okay, I just don't want you throwing them around. Like, I'll just show you an example. It's easy to use momentum on this one. I actually don't want that right here. Okay, and if it feels better to you to have a foot back, that just helps with balance. Okay, that's a little tripod stance, and that's great too. Okay, 2 more. And yes, I start breathing, making sure I'm really exhaling as I get tired here. Nice job, bringing them down. Okay, we're gonna switch up our row. I'm gonna keep these 10 pounds actually. So what I want you to do is bring the right foot forward, left foot back, and I'll show you what's coming and you can decide what you want to do for weights. So we're in the same position, but now both weights are held and your palms are facing back, okay? You're gonna bring the weights up and out to the side and back down. So this is moving now to a little more of an upper back position. And my elbows go out to the side when I pull up. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Step it in, we're almost there. Palms face in. 1 more set here. Similar to a hammer curl, but we're adding the twist to it. So we have this set of biceps to finish, and then 1 more set of those rows we just did. And then that is it. So you got it, stay strong. 3, 2, and last 1. Nice job. I'm gonna keep my left foot forward now. My right foot steps back. Lean forward, palms face back, elbows up to the side and down. Here we go, 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job, step it in. Let's put those weights down. Come back to center, walk it out, and give those arms just a couple big shakes here. And then just let your feet settle. Bring the right arm up and reach it over. And then the left arm up, reach it over to the other side. Both arms up. Maybe clasp your fingers and just lean from side to side. Bring your arms down and a couple of head turns. And great job. You did something very good for your body and for your muscles today. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on your mat soon.